Oh, it's got eggs in it. See the eggs? This is a view of the backside yard. Tenacity scorched the weedy grasses. Didn't realize it was that many in there, so gave it a couple of treatments last fall, and as of this video, one treatment this spring. So now what I'm doing is just going out here and basically cleaning it up with the Greenworks thatcher, keeping it the highest setting so as not to disturb too much of the soil. Remember, there's basically 8 steps to getting this lawn corrected by Memorial Day. And I'm in the Northeast Ohio area, so you can't make too many plans in March and April, even though it wasn't that bad this year. Some of these weeds you have to use Roundup. There's no other way around it for your poor trib. But all lawns have all types of things in them. Nutsedge, Poa annua, poor trib, dandelions, crabgrass. So the tenacity kind of attacks things that you didn't even really know was there that you seen. All of these little holes here and divots I burned out last fall. Threw a few seeds down, but it was so late November, a lot of things didn't come up. But it's coming up nicely right now. Right here next to my garden bed, you can see there's not a weed in sight. And I sprayed the tenacity on this whole area over here. Like nothing is coming up. So I realized that this area is not where it's coming from. But if you look closer to my neighbor's garage, huge patches of weedy grasses, lime green weedy grasses. So we try to help each other out, by trying to attack the problem. I got a pretty good neighbor there, so a lot of nutsedge right in here because the way the homes are built, there's like a natural leveling spot right in the middle of the properties, purposely done that way so that the water drains away from both homes down into like a little valley and then towards the backyard. But because this area stays wet, I believe that the Poa and the nutsedge absolutely love those areas. And there's some shade because this side is the north side of his house. It had gotten really hot, so I was like, all right, let me go change. As you can see, those grasses right there, that large area, that large patch is just working its way closer and closer to my sides. So I'll use the Toro because it has the biggest bag. Get most of the grass up. And then I'll lower the blades. And give it a cut. These areas are filling in. The idea is 4 or 5 more cuts and hopefully they'll be evened out the rest of the lawn. So as the shade moves around, you can see, and I'll just run right down this side right here. Yeah, all of that was just big, huge hoa and nutsedge type grasses. Some of it even blew over or somehow got into this part of the yard, so I burned those out too. It's no big concern, you know. That's what makes the lawn work kind of fun, you know. So it's coming in pretty nice. I only have a few burned out spots left, and these areas right here are filling in. We'll see if they fill in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Thank you for looking at my video, and please subscribe.